My advice is to tell him how you feel. Outcome number 1: the affection is mutual and you have a foundation for an amazing partnership. You know that the friendship works, and you also know that you work together intimately. Bonus: you could have a lifetime of shagging and friendship ahead of you. Outcome number 2: the feelings are not mutual and you still stay in the situation. You will lose him eventually. But, staying around for the pain you would experience being his friend and shag mate, while he might fall in love with someone else, would be self-inflicted. No thanks to that torture. Outcome number 3: the feelings are not mutual and you leave the situation. You lose your friend with benefits, but you retain your dignity. If you do not tell him how you feel, you will never know what might have been. Over time, you will lose the relationship anyway. If the two of you don't end up together, the chances of hanging on to an old, friends with benefits, relationship once either of you moves into a real relationship is minimal, assuming you would be transparent about your past with whomever your new partners are. So, if you are going to lose him anyway, you might as well put your feelings out there. And, if it does not work out, you must trust that it is for the better. Your heart is telling you that you are ready for something more substantial than this relationship. Maybe the relationship you are seeking is not meant to be with him? Maybe you're changing feelings and growing affection as the universe's way of helping you sort that out? I imagine it would be hard for the man of your dreams, presuming you are not already shagging him, to find his way into your life if you are occupying yourself with a relationship that has no future. I have heard more real love stories than most people will in their lifetimes. I am a professional wedding photographer who has photographed close to 400 weddings. I have heard some amazing love stories, and I have a pretty incredible one of my own. Have faith that there is someone out there for you. And, someone who will value you more than for just the benefits. Who knows, maybe it is this guy. But, you will have no way of knowing if you don't put your heart on the table with him. And, I am guessing that you will begin to feel helpless and powerless if you continue to grow in your love for him without finding out how he feels. Empower yourself by not being afraid to express how you feel.